guys, Pix here. We're on to another app showcase. And I'm gonna show you an app called Morse Code Generator. Morse Code Generator is a sort of alien thing. You won't understand it in the first time, but I mastered it almost. And this. And I need to keep quiet. I don't even remember what is this. Let's do it like this. I know it. E, 5, D, wrong. Y. Yeah, I knew it. Step 1, wrong. Let's do it again. Top 8, Q, 9, H, 5, 1. I knew it's D. See, I got it perfect. Oh yeah, it's cool, right? And if you love someone, you don't want them to know it. If you love them, give them a message like this. And generate. See, this is the I. This is 2 dot in here. This is the space thing. See, I'm gonna need to copy all this. They're not gonna know that you say the message. They're just gonna know it if they know this. This is the codes. Oh, I've sort of mastered this already. Here, let's go to the listening test. Oh man, I think it's 6. E, Q, J, 5, H. What? Oh no, wait. Oh, it's really hard listening. See, can't even listen to it. This is all it. So difficult. Just got it for a first try. Okay. Think that's all for now. Guys, peace out.